All right, hello all. Welcome to another unboxing video. This one kind of roll the calendar back a little bit, and we're gonna go some little more on the old school side in terms of planes and colors of this. We got two deltas here. One you see is the L1011, and the other is a 767-200 Spirit of Delta plane. Still trying to finish up the widget livery that Delta has, and I'm almost there. Just got a couple more missing, but I was able to get my hands on these two, and these are two steps closer to finishing off what I got. So let's go and open them up and take a look. All right, we'll start with the L1011 here. It's actually one of my favorite planes. I don't think I've ever actually flown on one, and I know I'm not be able to anymore, but I don't know, something about the tri-jets I've always liked, especially this one, and the MD-11s. So let's open up and take a look at her. And the person who I got these from, I know took very good care of them, so I'm not worried about any damage or anything to them. It's an older Gemini when it comes with the plastic covering on the nose of the plane, but that is looking good. Got all those tri-jets shine up on the bottom a little bit, no big deal, but she definitely looks good. Very happy to get this in the collection. It can join the MD-11 that I have in terms of my tri-jets with Delta, so very happy. Looks good. No chips, no smudges. Very good looking plane. Definitely love it. All right, and another one. We're going to go with the 767-200 Spirit of Delta. On the titles there. Let's open it up and take a look at her. And there she is. You can see it right up there on the title, Spirit of Delta, with the gold outline on the widget there. Kind of hard to see, I guess. And Spirit of Delta on the nose. Now I know that they also made these without the Spirit of Delta on there, but that's the one I really wanted to get. Now I got it. This is number 3 in terms of 767s I have with Delta. Colors. I've got the current scheme in the -300 series. I have the breast cancer in the -400, and now I have the widget in the -200. So that kind of covers all bases there. So yeah, very happy with this. No chips, no smudging, no complaints. Overall, I'm very happy with these two purchases. Definitely helps me get one step closer to completing, my collection. There's a couple more to go. So, namely a 747-100, which I know where I can get one, and a 727, which if anybody knows where I can get one, leave a comment. Also, I thought about doing video series on my collection. Whether it be the whole thing or just kind of concentrating on each airline and doing those in separate videos. So if you have any ideas or any thoughts, leave a comment down below and see what happens. Thanks again, for coming out and watching these, and y'all have a good day.